Good morning. It is day one of us PCSing to San Diego. We are driving across country in 4 days. Right now it was just like 10:05. We're waiting for Tyler to get done with work, like checking out and everything. So hopefully we hear from him right now. The pups is back there. There's Remus, Rex. My brother-in-law is here, Will. He's gonna be helping me drive my car with the dogs. He flew in yesterday. But I think what I wanna do is, of course, vlog the whole drive across country, and then right now though I want to do a little rental house tour that we were in while we were in South Carolina. It's for the most part pretty empty, and so I just want to show because I never got around to doing a house tour. Okay, so here is the front door. We never went through the front door. We always go through the garage, but this is the front door to the house. 2 windows, living space, the ceiling fan. The one thing I didn't like about this rental was that there's popcorn ceilings, but whatever. We had like an entryway table and everything, so there's that. Living room, and then it's pretty open, which was nice. Kitchen. Sorry, I'm shaky. We had kitchen. And then we had our dining room table right there. There's a dog snapping. And then over here, there's my brother-in-law. Laundry room. And then down there are the rooms, bathroom, hallway. And then this is we used it like a pantry, but we only had like the dogs' food and stuff in there. But yeah, laundry room's in here. And then through this door was the garage. Let me see. It's messy in there, but do a little, really messy still. So now I'm gonna do the rest of the house, the bedrooms and the bathrooms and the backyard. Our stuff's still everywhere, so please excuse that. But here's a little overview: kitchen, living room. This is where we had like the dogs table and everything like that, because that way it's elevated so they're not like, their necks are going to hurt from bending down so low. Okay, so this is gonna be bedroom number 1. We used it as the guest room. It was a good size. The carpets are freshly cleaned. I'm gonna try to do it fast because Remus and Rex are gonna try to run in there. We use this as not use it, but this is the guest bathroom. And then over here was like a hallway linen closet. There was like a lot of like miscellaneous crazy things that we just wanted to hide, or no place for it. This we used as the office, good size. And then over here is the master bedroom. There's plenty of size. There's the closet over there, walk-in closet. And then here's the bathroom. There's separate tub and shower, and then 2 sinks. There's me a little bit. Yeah, so now we're gonna go to the backyard. It is a hot mess because of the dogs, so don't mind that. There's Remus. The patio screen. Oh, stretchy. Yep. It was a nice size. Yeah. That's a window in for the master door, and then the window for the office. Look at this sweet boy. My hair is all wet and crazy still. I washed it this morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy house rental tour, empty tour. I know it was messy, so sorry about that. It is a little echoey since we don't really have furniture, but still waiting for Tyler to come home from work. That way we can head out. But I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing. Until then, my brother-in-law went to go get us some food to eat. It's almost 10:30, so yeah, our first stop is gonna be in Tennessee, and I'm super excited to take you guys along the way. Finally in Tennessee. We are stopping for gas for the second or the third time, I don't remember, but there's Remus and Rex in the back, there's Remus Wolf. I'm using the light from the visor because it's dark, obviously it's nighttime, but we're almost to the hotel, and then it's like past midnight. I'll do a little hotel tour and call it a night. Hey babe. Babe. Say hi. Okay, we just got to the hotel. Here's a little quick tour. Front door. Bathroom. There is Rex going in the tub. Rex. Remus. Bathroom. Yeah. Then over there's a body mirror. Hey, baby boy. And then Tyler's like done already. There's that.
My turn.
Remus? Remus? Hi, Bubba. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick, super short hotel room tour. It's gonna be a short stay. We got in late, we left late, didn't leave until like 2. We have a long day again tomorrow until Saturday. Hi. So yeah, we are gonna get some sleep, get all rested. Say bye, sweet boy. Say bye. Say bye, babes.